What's up, everybody? Scatterdad here. I've got Scatter Mom and Scatter Daughter. Hey, so anyways, I've got this problem with my GMC Acadia, and we are going to replace the purge valve on this particular model. Now, let's just show you the engine bay here. Your purge valve is just this, right here. Right there, that's it. Yep, I'll zoom in here, but this is your purge valve. So basically, you will disconnect this part right there, and then you will disconnect this part right there. And then there is a bolt right here. I believe it is a 10 millimeter. This particular model right here is the AC Delco brand. I'll link up another brand that's the cheaper brand, but it's apparently not as good. So just buy this AC Delco one. It's like 50 bucks. Anyways, but however, I just got a good deal on it. It was only like $21. Yeah, it was discounted. But so my daughter here is gonna take off this bolt here because apparently she thinks this is gonna be her car.
There's a 10 millimeter in the 8 millimeter spot.
All right, so it is a 10 millimeter. We could not find our 10 millimeter, but I think we got it now. Yeah, we got it. Yeah. So 10 millimeter for that little bolt right there.
My toolbox is out of order.
My toolbox, like most, are out of order.
Yeah, like when I was doing my engine for class, I always had to say, Kai, what was you turning? Because some of them were different.
All right, so check this out. I have an old video on this particular product here. It is the vapor canister purge valve, basically. So the reason why I replaced this is when we would stop to get gasoline, we would basically have, it would, start running really rough and sometimes even kill the car. And then after we filled it up and got in and like went to go start it again, it had a hard time to start. Anyways, after researching a little bit on the internet, I basically replaced this part and it fixed our problem. So link below, Amazon link. It is a paid link. I do get commission off of that, but it helps our channel. And yeah, just click on the link below, go buy the part. And basically the code that we were throwing was P0496. So if your vehicle is throwing that code, try this. Replace this part or replace your gas cap. So we went with this part before we tried the gas cap. That's it. So now we're gonna go ahead and just put this back on like that. And then we are going to clip that back in there. And that's how easy it is. It's super easy to replace. So if you're throwing that code, try this. Let me know in the comments if it fixes your problem. Like I said, I've already got a video out on this. This is video number 2. I figured it was time for an update since that other video was like 4 years old. But subscribe, follow along for some more shenanigans on other stuff. But if we have problems like this, we might film it, replace it, because my scatter daughter here, she is in a small engines class at school. She's learning a lot of stuff. So we like to do this type of stuff together, and we like to work on cars together. But she only helps me if it's benefiting her. And so we're gonna try to get her out here more. So stay tuned, follow along, and hopefully that fixes your problem.